Long-term ant control in yards and gardens balances upfront cost against ongoing maintenance and ecological impact. When choosing granular ant control products, focus on targeted application and timing to maximize value. Apply granules around nest entrances and along foraging paths in the early morning or late afternoon when ants are active to improve uptake and reduce waste. Calculate coverage by measuring the treated area and comparing to the product label so you buy the correct quantity and avoid repeated small purchases that raise per-season costs. For organic soil amendments like compost, use high-quality finished compost applied in a layer around plants to improve soil structure and reduce bare soil that attracts ants, understanding that this is a larger initial investment but delivers ongoing benefits for plant health and water retention. Consider landscape fabric or weed mats under mulches to block ant nesting in the root zone, and expect this option to last multiple growing seasons, which spreads cost over time. Commit to a maintenance routine of seasonal inspections, spot treatments for new nests, and replenishing mulch or compost annually, since small periodic costs are typically lower than infrequent large interventions. Homeowners often underestimate the hidden costs of convenience and time, treating with too little product and then repeating purchases. To solve this by measuring areas and following label rates. So one correct application reduces repeats. People sometimes assume organic amendments control ants immediately, which leads to disappointment. Explain that compost and soil improvement are gradual strategies that reduce ant habitat over seasons rather than provide instant elimination. A third common issue is mixing incompatible products, such as combining certain baits with broad-spectrum insecticides, which can reduce bait effectiveness. Avoid that by pausing other treatments when deploying baits and reading labels carefully. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners compare cost and sustainability options for yard pest management and to connect with local contractors who offer relevant services. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share practical tips, product experiences, and project cost breakdowns so our members can learn from each other.